Hi, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple dinner. Prik Pla. Prik Pla is a common food in Thailand. We use Ikan Kembung or mackerel fish, or in Thai we call it Pla for deep fry and to eat with Sambal Belacan or Prik and some vegetable. So to marinate the fish, I use only two ingredients: salt and turmeric powder. So I will marinate the fish with the salt, just a very little salt. This fish has already been cleaned and removed the gill as well as the stomach. Okay, just put in the marinate with salt, and then I'm going to put just coat it with the turmeric powder. Using turmeric powder is it's going to cause the hand become yellow, but it's all right. Okay, so the fish is marinated and we're gonna go ahead and fry it. Cooking time is about 8 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to set the time for 8 minutes for one side. Then after that I will turn the fish and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, and we are done.